Hey everybody, Kyle here. I'm not preparing for later because there's only 1 hour left and it's gonna be Christmas. And today I'm gonna interview myself as the Christmas instructor. I want to be Santa Claus. I want to give things to other people. Because I have many best friends. They're so good. I wanna give presents to them, but I can do it because I have only spending money like. And so this is my personal blog for the Christmas party. Today, the Christmas is the time for spending time with your family and spending birthday of Jesus Christ, the Son of our Lord. And today, I'm not gonna close the blog because I'm just gonna sleep today, and because YouTube is cooler than ever, the coolest of all cool. And I have some problems on YouTube. Even if you loaded it all, still it stops. But also, I just forgot all about Christmas. Uh, I don't know what to say, but I love Christmas. I'm not waiting because, oh no, 47 minutes are left to be Christmas. And so now I'm gonna close my blog because it's gonna take a long time to upload this in YouTube. Goodbye.